Hello friends, welcome. This is CryptoSats. So today I have brought a new analysis on BTC USD. So what I see in my perspective and what some more other things we can see it. So this is my channel, guys. So if you're not in my Telegram channel, make sure you join them so you get most of it. So right now, Bitcoin. I'll start with this. So right now Bitcoin, as I said in my earlier analysis that I shared in my Telegram channel, so I'll show you that. So in my Telegram channel I posted this one, which is it is forming kinda like a falling wedge pattern, which is here, you can see. So this is my Telegram channel, link is in the description, so make sure you join them. And so if you see, as I said, it is in the falling wedge pattern, excuse me, it's in a falling wedge pattern, which is, you can see, perfectly rejected over here. So we may see a rollover, and my targets for this dump would be around this long term trend line, which is around 8750 to 8800 to 8700. So we also have a nice support out here, so you can see here we have a nice support zone also out here. So this is where I see a bounce to the upside, which would eventually break this ascending pattern. So right now this is what I see in short term, where the market will like something like this, and then it will get the fuel to break towards the upside. So eventually when a falling wedge or rising wedge patterns forms, you get three touches out of, like, see, you have one touch, two touch, and third touch, and then boom, it moves to the upside. And again you got one touch, two touch, and we are waiting for the another touch, which we will get in some time. And eventually that will just break it. So this is on shorter time frame. And another thing I want to talk to you guys about is this long-term trend line, which we also have as a support out here, where I have marked that range. So we might get a nice bounce of it. And also if you want to see, like, the previously Bitcoin did the same thing, like it had a resistance trend line over here, market broke this, and again it got support out here. So and it moved back again. So this way I'm interpreting. So we might see a bounce at this range, and again it might go back up. So another thing I want to say is Bitcoin always likes to form these patterns, which is one is ascending triangle and other is descending triangle. So example, if you see from the top of $20,000, so we had a huge descending triangle, then the market dumped. We had a huge descending triangle, then the market dumped. Again we had ascending triangle, market pumped. Again a descending triangle, market dumped. And again we are in a new way forming an ascending triangle, which we might see a push and a massive bull run to the upside. So this is what I'm watching. So you can clearly see we had a descending triangle, a dump followed by a dump, ascending triangle followed by a pump, huge massive bull run, descending triangle, again a dump, and again it's in a pattern, ascending triangle. Once this breaks, it is ready to move. First resistance would be around 14,000, 13,000 to $14,000, and if that managed to breaks, then we would see possibly all-time high. And if that breaks, then it's a move towards $30,000 to $28,000. So this is what I'm seeing on the larger time frames. And also we have a bigger, if you like to see bigger pattern, like ascending triangle pattern, but this is not that clear. So I like this one, which is forming right now, the ascending triangle pattern. So that's not yet violated. So we had two touch again. Possibly it is highly possible that market might reverse again, touch again, give it the third touch, and then boom. And also, if not, we already have three touches, which is here, this, and again it is being touching now. So this is what I'm looking for Bitcoin. So you can see it is right now dumping. And if you talk about let's see if we have any divergence. Right now we don't have any divergence on 4-hour frame, so my best time to watch is BTC USD, cryptocurrency, whatever it is. The best is 8-hour time frames. So right now we have a hidden bullish divergence, possibly, I believe. So you can see here price is making lower low, which will eventually around 7,000, 8,750 would be around this range, which is lower low, and we might get a bit higher low. So that will give us a hidden bullish divergence and fuel to pump and break this pattern and move to the upside. So thank you guys, this is my analysis as of now. So I'll keep you posted. Feel free to join my Telegram channel, link is in the description. If you like the video, please like and share my video. Thank you, have a nice day.